First and foremost, 12 laws of the universe. Number 1, law of divine oneness. Oneness. At its core, this law emphasizes the interconnectedness of all life. Okay, so this is similar to Aikido as well, which is a peaceful martial art. So this Aikido is also, or Aikido is generally connected to all life is sacred. So all life is sacred life. So the law of divine oneness at its core emphasizes the interconnectedness of all life. All elements are the same. Everything is the same. Everything is interconnected. Okay, just like we've already proven too, like the bodily system of a female, the bodily system of a male, they both have 10 systems, and then the only one that is different in expression is the reproductive system, which means that the oneness expresses itself through 2 different types of beings, okay, which is a law, okay? There is also an underlying unity that binds everything together. The understanding of this oneness encourages compassion, empathy, and sense of responsibility for the collective well-being, which is one, which is Christ consciousness, Christ collective. Okay, number 2, let's jump straight into it. Law of vibration. This is 12 laws of the universe. Law of vibration. This law delves into the idea that everything in the universe is in a state of constant motion. Nothing ever is still. Okay, so to be still is really to go with the flow of the vibrations. That's when somebody says be still. Okay, so ultimately, state of constant motion vibrating at particular frequencies, wavelengths, and color spectrums. So solfeggio frequencies, you guys can check out solfeggio frequency, all right? And that gets into colors, that gets into numbers, numerology, it gets into etymology, the words that are spoken, as well as vibration and the law of vibration. Okay, this extends beyond just the physical realm, asserting to thoughts, emotions, intentions, also emitting vibrations on their specific frequency wavelengths, which is considered what we would say density. So laws of density or planes of density. So there's planes of dimensions, there's dimensional planes, and then there's density planes. So thoughts would be a thought density. Emotions would be an emotional density, and it would be within those specific frequency wavelengths of solfeggio frequency wavelength frequencies. Okay? You're like, if he says frequency one more time. Frequency is what we frequently see. What we see is how we perceive. What we see is how we perceive. Okay, as one's intentions emit on specific vibrations, this aligns one's thoughts to emotions, and positive vibrations believed to attract corresponding positive experiences. So this is based on law of assumption and law of attraction, which is interconnected LOA. We have to understand that as we assume the end of the being in the end of the wish fulfilled, as we assume the end outcome as being it right now, we attract that vibration right now, not in some future, not in some past. We ground ourselves in the now. Number 3, law of correspondence. Okay. Drawing inspiration from Hermeticism and Hermetic wisdom, this law posits the patterns and principles that everything on every level exists within existence. Okay, understanding the similarities between the microcosm and the macrocosm, this allows individuals to gain insights into their own lives by observing the patterns of larger universes. Okay, so multiverse, and you can see, okay, well, I don't want to be like that. Okay, I want to be like this. Okay, I want to be like this because I see that these things attract these things based on their correspondences and resonances with these vibrations. So like attracts like, dislike attracts dislike, assumption attracts assumption, attraction attracts attraction. Okay, so you guys can see the correlation between the interconnection. Okay, so separation attracts separation, unity attracts unity, and you could see the intercorrelation, how this is all interconnected and corresponding. Okay, number 4, law of attraction. Okay, central to many spiritual and self-help philosophies, this law underscores and overscores the power of thoughts in shaping realities. Okay, this suggests that the individual's experiences attract circumstances based on the resonant frequencies and predominant thoughts and emotions of the being. Positive thinking is seen as a powerful force for manifesting desirable outcomes and incomes. So you first have to be in the same vibrational resonance to resonate on the frequency. So you say, I want to be a millionaire. So resonate now inside of yourself as what does a millionaire resonate on, and be that resonance for a long period of time, 21 days consistently, to habitually construct it into the subconscious mind, and then the subconscious mind will therefore reward that beingness, that state of beingness. Okay, so it's all about law of attraction attracts attraction. So be the like that